Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorials of FactoryTalk View SE. So in this section we are going to create some um, toggle buttons for our project of our RS Logix 500. You will see it there, RS Logix 500, and that's my PID control, which is the whole program is created by me. So in this video we are going to create a push button and numeric entries, push buttons, numeric entries, and screen navigation buttons, and also we are going to create a shutdown button there. So first of all, you will see I am going to open my SC, and here is my project tank. I am going to open it. Now my project is open. I am going to open main. First I need to delete that, and then I am going to create a shutdown button. So first of all we are going to drawings and create a button there, and I am going to action. I think that looks better. Going to action, and what action we need? We need display client close, and use it as a current display, and then I am going to create an appearance and name it shutdown, and I am going to click it to OK. So you will see our shutdown button is now created. Now we need to check. So first of all you will see how we create a simulation there. So I am going to launch SC, and my client is ready, but I need to add another one to show you how that things work. So you will see that is open. Now I'm going to create a new and name it a tank, and it will ask me that it will already. So our station is local station. I'm going to create a next and select a name which is tank. You will see there, and our initial display is main. So main is open. Now I don't need a text bar there, so I'm just going to next, and save as the client now and finish. Now you will see it's going to open. And now it's launch. Now we need to see our shutdown button is working or not. So that's our enrolled. So I need to cancel it because I don't save it. So now I'm going to save it and launch SC again, and you will see it will also created by me. Now it's going to again launch. It's going to open. And now it is screen on. You will see a shutdown button there. So I just make it shut down. So what do you see that in the action, every command we need to use, it is always there. So we easily use the command which I need to use it. So there are many commands there. So if you want to create a button and need any action, so you will use there. now now I am going to create a momentary button. Maintain, I think last. I think the last button is our trigger button. You will see it is stage 0 and off. Now I am going to create is 0 means auto and the state 1 means manual. And what color we need a white there, and we are going to make it a connection there. So I need to, you will see our all tags are created. There is our manual button. I am going to do it and apply it. That's our manual button. So we will check it's going to work or not. Now I am going to, sorry, I again forget to save that project. So we need to check it that need to close that, save it again, and then I need to again run it. It is showing error. Why it is showing error, I don't know. I think our OPC server is not working. Let me check it there. I need to delete that one. Done and okay. No, I don't need to off it. Again going to save it and launch it. Now our PLC is now going to run on. I think we need to check that our PLC is working or not. It is on working condition, but I think we use a wrong button. Now I just need to, you will see a button. We use a multi-state button there. That is our momentary button. We forget to use that. Here is our manual. Apply. State 0 means auto. State 1 means manual. And we use color as a white there. And also use a white there. And our button color is think we don't have, I think we use green is not looking good. I think blue is better. Now I need to save it and again launch my SC client. You will see our auto button is ready. Now we need to check if it is working or not. I created a manual, so you will see it's going to work. Now I want to create an auto, so you will see that our button is working. Now I need a numeric entry. We know that you will see we need a numeric entry. So I need a 3 there and need a floating point and 1 hour and center. We use in a center. Now we going to tag it to our set point. So here is our set point. Now I am going to OK it, apply it, and our numeric entry is ready. Now I need a panel to put it on there, and maybe I use that color used as a dark green and place all to delete that. Place our numeric entry on that. I need it to come onto front. Now our numeric entry is on front. We are going to use a dip there. I think it is easy to make it a group. There is no group there, but I need to save it to show you it is working or not. Now I am going to launch SC. So we will see our numeric entry is going to work or not. So here is our set point there. You will see it is our set point, and we will going to enter a numeric entry there. So check that is going to work or not. Our screen is launched, and here is I am going to click it manual and 3.5. Now we need to check if 3.5 is moved or not. You will see our 3.5 is moved. So I need another thing. I also use a numeric display to check it that it is going to work or not. Check it as a numeric display there. I'm going to select as a tag. Field length is 3. Select tag which is our set point, and going it to center. Now I'm going to apply it, and again I need to use a panel and select that panel as a red, apply and OK. Now I need to select my mouse cursor and put that thing on that. think we need to change that button value to yellow because we need to show that we are going to move it out to front. Sorry, we need a back color as a yellow. Now you will see it is saved. Now we are going to launch our client. To check that display is working or not. So here is our set point. You will see 3.5 already moved there. So I think it will show into our numeric display. So our client screen is launched, completely launched. Now we are going to move 4.5. You will see it will come to 4. Why it don't show a decimal point? So I need to check it there. I need to select a floating point and need a 1 decimal. Now I need to apply that, and again I am going to run it. Now it will work correctly. So here is ready. I am going to put 9.5 there. Enter it. You will see 9.5. So you will see our numeric entry and numeric display also working. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, click the bell icon, and thank you very much again. So in the next lecture we are going to work on the symbols. So thank you.